Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus and I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have a connect with internet but you can't surf in it. Our first step to fix this problem, we must go back to the main menu of our smartphone and navigate to the settings. In it, we look for General Management selection. Right, where is it? Right there. In it, date and time, and now we must turn on first function, automatic date and time. After that all would work. We can go back to the Google Chrome and try search something like YouTube. And our internet is working right now. That's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.